Today video I'll show you how to have a TikTok shop without 1,000 followers. This is my official TikTok account. As you can see, I have only 410 followers, but with TikTok shop, so I'll teach how to get this. First of all, I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Open your Chrome or any browser.
They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing.
Then search seller-ph.tiktok.com.
Nah, bitch, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
And go to seller profile. Click link to your TikTok account. After you link your TikTok account, you have received an email from this site. It only takes a few hours or minutes for them to email you that the application you submitted has been approved. After that, you will see that the basket will appear in the TikTok account and you can affiliate with TikTok shops.
Grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel?
When you open TikTok, you will also receive a notification from them.
They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather leave than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread